What is going on, everybody? Before I start my drywall for the night, I wanted to go ahead and make a video and let y'all know that the quick struts I bought from 1A Auto, maybe at the most a month and a half ago, they've already failed. So my little experiment to see if the quick struts were worth a dang, it shows that no, they've already failed within a month. I mean, hey, if you're trying to go super cheap, fix up your car and trade it in or something, hey, that very well could be an option. But if you're looking for longevity, and I mean, I don't drive crazy, but I do take it to the drag strip, so I need a decent setup as far as something that can hold a little bit of abuse. So I'm talking to a few vendors right now from several companies. I'm gonna make a decision probably tonight or tomorrow. I'll let y'all know. But if y'all have any kind of recommendations or anything, put it down in the comments, because I'm kind of considering everything right now, especially a very strange brand. But my room is coming together really well. As you can see, I have all of the drywall up everywhere. I've already went ahead, sanded everything. You would be surprised, or it's insane how much drywall dust was everywhere. But I'm gonna go ahead, wet sand all of this stuff, get it all nice and smooth, start putting some primer on, and I'll be in business. I will finally have a room from Harvey. I mean, I've really only been focusing on my room for the last, I don't know, week and a half. I've been focusing on the other parts of my house, which, like I said in my previous video, I will do a video on my entire house soon. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update on the struts. I mean, this is just my personal experience. I mean, I'm not lying in any way. I'm not defaming 1A Auto or anything. I'm just letting y'all know that in my personal experience, the quick struts failed very quickly. But honestly, I'm not really torn about this, because now I get to put my lowering springs back on, because I'm just gonna get just the normal struts. I'll get a spring compressor and get everything nice and the way I like it. Because honestly, I have noticed that the way my car sits right now, I'm iffy about it. I mean, the stock ride height it honestly does feel like I'm a 4x4. I can see clear under my car. I like that lowered stance, so Lowered Bubba is coming back. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.